Hi there. I'm there again with you to share another nice video which will going to be helpful for us. So today I'm going to introduce you to yourself. You know, there are certain things about you which you don't know. Trust me. Trust me if I'm saying I know you. I know you for sure. I know you that you are charismatic. You're bold, you're beautiful, you're confident, you have that resilience in you. And above all, you are the best, like I always claim. So today, we'll be talking about a very important topic, a visit to yourself. We'll be talking about self esteem. We will see that how important it is for you to have the correct. So, when I say that, let's talk about the self esteem. So, it's very important to praise yourself, the very basic of you to have a good self esteem, the confidence in you that you need to keep applauding yourself, keep praising yourself. You have to stop this idea of being negative. You cannot be blaming yourself every time. Oh, this went wrong, all because of me. Oh, I'm not beautiful, I'm not perfect. Oh, I'm not earning as others are. Oh, I'm not that educated. Why you need to be like others? You are yourself. You don't realize others are jealous of you because they know what you are. Only you don't know what you have. So you need to see that what you have, count your blessings, decrease the volume of the negative thoughts. Don't let those negative thoughts shadow over your personality. Don't let that negative thought settle in you. Make it a point that every morning when you get up, say hello, beautiful. Hi, handsome. How are you today? Have you ever noticed these young kiddos? They are always doing something or the other. If nothing, they start crying because they want to gather your attention, because they want you to look to them, because they know they are important, they are worth getting that attention. So why you have forgotten that? Why do you don't feel that you are worth of everything? So make yourself positive. See that your positivity is, reflected on you. Your positivity will make a lot of difference in your personality, in your everyday life. Every day is a new beginning. Every morning is a new morning. The moment you get up from your bed, tell yourself that what all good things you have. Make sure that each day you're going to add one adjectives to your personality. See that people start realizing that. The first thing when you will accept that you are good, you are beautiful, you are confident, you are capable, have a lot of skills. When you have all that in your mind, definitely others cannot overrule this. It is just because we accept without even realizing that what all benefits, what all good we have. We try and we accept that we are bad, we are not good, we are not skilled, we are not educated, we are not compatible, we are not equal to others. Don't give others chance to judge you. Why? Because you are the best of you. You know yourself better. It is only you need to introduce yourself to yourself. The moment you will going to see that what all you possess, believe you me, your life will change. Your prospect, your outlook towards life will change. You will start realizing that how beautiful the surrounding is, what not you can't do. You have the capability to do everything. If you can't do this to yourself, start helping others. Start helping others. Make sure that in your surrounding, in your workplace, in your family, you tell people that what they are good in them, what is good in them, so that when you start helping others, you'll tell them. You become their mirror. You have to give them their reflection. You'll help them introduce their self to themselves. Believe you me, that's a wonderful feeling. This is my personal experience because I'm one person who was very negative. At time I was so negative to the core that I used to curse myself. Oh, I don't have that, or I have been a sufferer. Why only me? Why me? God has given so much of troubles and trials, etc., etc. Then one of my friends, she gave me a look, a dare rather, one day, and she told, "Did you ever realize what all you have? That people are jealous of you? What all you possess, which you don't realize? You know what kind of qualities you have in yourself?" That was the moment. Trust me, what she made me see was beautiful. I never thought that all that was there. All that what she showed me, just one glance, was actually me. And I was only not able to recognize myself, talk to myself, help myself. But I'm really thankful to my friend that she made me visit myself. She made me introduce to me. So, here, today, I'm taking this opportunity to introduce you to yourself. Look up to yourself. I would like to become your reflection. I would like to show you what all you have in yourself. Make that positive energy, make that positive comment loud so that you can hear it clearly. Let that positivity flow. Let that positivity wash out all that negative that is, popping up in your mind. Let that be your guide. Let that give you a new life so that you get back to all those positions where one you have cursed yourself. Oh, I don't have this. Oh, I am not beautiful. Oh, I am not perfect. Oh, my figure is not as what I'm wanting to have, what others have. Oh, I'm not producing those grades which my parents want me to get because others are doing it. No, stop cursing yourself. You have 20 other things that others don't have. Check on that. See how you can upgrade that, how you can enhance that, and that will become your power to stand out, to face people, to tell people. There's so many positives vibes are there lying with you. So, on this note, we're going to take a call that three things we need to be very carefully doing. That first, we need to close all the volumes of the negativity that is coming through us, from us actually. And we're going to enhance the volume of all the positive comments that you have to give it to yourself. And don't hesitate in praising yourself. Don't hesitate in counting your blessings. Don't hesitate in complimenting people. When you'll compliment, you'll get compliments. Always welcome your compliments with a big thank you. Thank you to you all also for listening me so patiently. Kindly spread it out so that we can spread happiness. Kindly be a part of this big family. I want you all to join me, subscribe me, and share it with others, and we can be. So, until next time, be home, be safe, and wait for my next video with another nice topic where I'm going to introduce you to yourself, or we'll sort out some problems, or we're going to look forward to something new, nice, and beautiful that will definitely add on to your personality. Bye. Take care.